And shifting our attention to a breaking news update coming in, this is on part of the Congress Central Election Committee meeting, and as per sources we're learning that Rahul Gandhi is said to have advocated for the Northeast Delhi riots accused Ishrat Jahan. In fact, Rahul Gandhi seems to have favoured Ishrat Jahan as a possible candidate from the Okhla seat in the Delhi Assembly elections. That's the big news coming in at the moment. I want to quickly go across to Pallavi, my colleague, joining us with more details. Pallavi, this is likely to raise several eyebrows, especially in the BJP camp. Ishrat Jahan, accused in the February 2020 Delhi riots case, she was accused of provoking a mob that eventually pelted stones at the police post. But tell us what really transpired in this meeting.
You're absolutely right, Christine. This is bound to raise eyebrows and it's going to invite a lot of criticism and attack on Rahul Gandhi for actually siding with those people who stoke trouble and who are anti-national. Well, what we are picking up by way of our top Congress sources is that at the Central Election Committee meeting, which is the final body which finalizes the ticket distribution, one of the names which was put forward was that of Ishrat Jahan. She has faces multiple FIRs as far as stoking of the 2020 Delhi riots are concerned, to be pitted opposite the Aam Aadmi Party's
Okay, we don't have a very clear line with Pallavi. We'll reconnect with her in just a bit. Pallavi, coming back to you. So that's what we know so far as per highly placed sources in the Congress. The party is mulling Northeast Delhi riots accused Ishrat Jahan as candidate from Okhla seat in the assembly elections that are set to take place in less than 2 months from now. According to sources, this was spoken of by Rahul Gandhi at the Central Election Committee meeting. So Rahul Gandhi advocating for Ishrat Jahan being given a ticket for Okhla seat in the Delhi Assembly elections. Now, like Pallavi and I have been discussing, Ishrat Jahan faces serious charges. She's out on bail though, but she was booked in the February 2020 Northeast Delhi riots case. Pallavi, I believe, is back with us on the phone line. Yes, Pallavi, you were saying.
What I was saying is that the political strategy, Christine, of the Congress party is very clear. They are finally wanting to gear up for a fight against the Aam Aadmi Party and, of course, against the BJP. Now, the constituency for which her name was discussed and considered is the Okhla constituency, which has a large number of minority population. That is where Aminatullah Khan is also a sitting MLA from. So basically, the Congress wants to go back and strike at what they consider to be one of their strongest and traditional vote bank, which is the minority vote bank. Now, what this does is it stirs the pot. It now could lead to a division of the minority votes between Aminatullah Khan and in case Ishrat Jahan is also set up as a candidate against him. Will it come to the advantage of the BJP or will it make things even more difficult for the Aam Aadmi Party and for Aminatullah Khan? She's a woman, she also belongs to the minority community, and she also has spoken about the fact that how she was tortured in custody and she was forced to make certain concessions and statements under pressure from the police dominated by the BJP. These were her exact words at that point of time.
Oh yes, speaking of how the BJP will react, Pallavi, stay on with us. We have Manjinder Singh Sirsa ji joining us on the phone line. Sirsa Saab, how do you look at this? Rahul Gandhi advocating for Ishrat Jahan, actually thinking about giving her a party ticket going into Delhi Assembly elections. All right, I do believe we have a problem with that line. Going across to Praveen Shankar in the meanwhile. Mr. Shankar, what do you make of this?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So Rahul Gandhi, we're learning as per our sources, is mulling over giving Ishrat Jahan, the accused in Northeast Delhi riots case, a ticket from Okhla seat. Your thoughts, sir?
Yeah, I feel that this news by itself exposes Congress, exposes Rahul Gandhi, that for them, peace of the city is less important than their electoral victory. They are supporting Ishrat Jahan just because they feel that Ishrat Jahan can polarize Muslim votes for them. And it's a very bad thing. It is not in the interest of people of Delhi. It is not in the interest of security of Delhi.
Okay, Praveen Shankar Kapoor, many thanks for sharing your perspective with us on this story. Let's see how the BJP comes out with a formal response going forward, given that this was spoken of in the Central Election Committee meeting of the Congress Party. A quick break with that. We'll be right back. Keep watching.